Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove rows in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing rows from Salesforce can refer to various actions, such as deleting records from an object, removing entries from reports, or even clearing values from lists or views. So basically, here's how you can handle by removing rows in Salesforce. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the app launcher and click on Sales. Now, if you want to delete or remove records from on Salesforce objects, for example, like a row here in accounts or contacts or opportunities, you have to follow these simple steps. Number one, on accounts, I want you to click on any account here. For example, I'm going to be choosing the global media. Now, all you have to do is click on the delete option, and that's how you want to delete the records row from a specific object here, like an account. Now, if you're referring about the reports, click on the old reports, for example, this one. And if you can find a specific row that you don't like, all right, you see the details row, all you have to do is uncheck that, and that would automatically remove the row in a specific report here in Salesforce, all right? Because doing so can be essential for maintaining the accuracy and efficiency of your data management. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.